Our next topic is physical nature of matter. What is the physical nature of matter? Matter is basically made up of very tiny or very small particles. That's why we say the nature of matter is that is the nature of matter is particulate. That is, matter is made up of is particulate. That is, matter is made up of many tiny particles. To prove this, there is an activity in your book. Okay, let's do it. To understand this, that matter is made up of small particles, we do an activity. We take one beaker and fill it with water. And make a mark here. This is water. Now we add sugar, or salt in it. We take first one beaker, fill it with water and make a mark on the level of water. Then we add some sugar. This is sugar. Now stir it with the help of a glass rod or any spoon. After stirring, we notice that sugar get dissolved in it. We observe that sugar is completely dissolved in it, but there is no change in the level of water. Why this thing happens? In order to explain this, please have a look on this slide or in this image. In this image, you can see clearly that there are water molecules present, have space between them. They have space between them. When we dissolve sugar in it, the sugar crystal get dissociated or get break down into small particles, very small particles, and occupies space between water molecules. That's why the level of water remains same. Means it does not increases due to the presence of sugar. Here I draw one more diagram. You can draw this diagram with the help of image shown to you. You can see that water level up to here. Imagine the presence of water molecules. This is an enlarged view in order to explain you the presence of water molecules. Here you can see there are vacant spaces. We know already that liquid have intermolecular spaces between molecules. In these intermolecular spaces, sugar particles get occupied. These empty spaces get occupied by sugar molecules. This causes, or due to this, the level of water does not increases. This activity proves that matter is made up of very small particles. With the help of this activity, we can explain one more thing, that matter has space between its molecules.